What if I told you that you could transform your space into a green oasis without spending a fortune? Stay with me, because I'll show you exactly how to set up stunning indoor plants on a budget. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you've been thinking about adding fresh, vibrant plants to your home but worrying about the cost, today's video is for you. I'll walk you through a simple, affordable, and stylish way to create your own indoor plant setup. Indoor plant setup is simply arranging plants inside your living space in a way that brings beauty, freshness, and calm while keeping it practical and easy to maintain. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Choose budget-friendly plants like pothos, snake plants, or succulents. They're affordable, low maintenance, and adapt well indoors. Step 2. Pick spots with natural light like near windows but avoid direct harsh sunlight. Step 3. Use inexpensive containers. Repurpose jars, mugs, baskets, or even tin cans for a unique touch. Step 4. Arrange plants at different height shelves, floor stands, or tabletops for a layered look. Step 5. Add finishing touches like pebbles, stones, or fairy lights for a cozy vibe. Tools. You'll need a small shovel or even a spoon for planting, scissors for trimming, containers or pots, some pebbles for drainage, and basic parting soil. Nothing fancy, just the essentials. Quick tips: water less often than you think. Overwatering kills plants faster than neglect. Also, rotate your pots every 2 weeks so each side gets enough light. Cost comparison: buying pre-arranged plants can cost anywhere from $30 to $50 each. By doing it yourself, you can set up 5 to 6 plants for the same price, or even less. Here's a simple workflow. Pick plants gives repurposed containers, gives add soil, and pebbles gives placing, good lighting gives water, moderately gives rotate regularly. Notes: keep in mind, plants grow and change over time. Choose containers with some extra room for growth, and don't hesitate to prune when needed. A little care consistently will make your indoor garden last. So remember, pick budget-friendly plants, repurpose containers, arrange with creativity, and care for them with simple routines. It's affordable, fun, and instantly transforms your home atmosphere. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly home ideas. And tell me in the comments, what plant would you start with first?